It is safe to use for the range of wheel spacers. Quality for the range of wheel spacers are exceptionally safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Ford range of wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Ford range of wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Ford range of wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center. They fit perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. The Ford range of wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Ford range of wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford range of wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Ford range of wheel spacers are much stronger, as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best Ford range of wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS Ford multi-stage half-century Ford range of wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century measuring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub range, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford range of wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS Sport multi-stage half-century Ford range of wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Ford range of wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat distribution effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS Sport active cooling for the range of wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.